Good morning, everyone. This is another reminder to help you navigate through Mrs. Ryan's Google Classroom. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to come up to the classwork tab, and you're going to look for today's date, which is 9/10, and it says Rules, Procedures, and Lesson Check. We're going to do the first thing, which is labeled first, which is attendance. I'm going to click on that. And we have to read the directions. I'm going to click View Questions so I can open it up a little bit bigger. Number 1, check yourself present below and return to today's daily agenda slideshow in the classwork tab. Then open the next attached assignment. So I'm going to go over to the right, make sure that it's filled in, and click Turn In. Make sure you click Turn In again. Okay, now you have to go back to the classroom, which is up at the upper left corner. We're going to go to the classwork tab again. Find the date for 9/10. We finished the first thing. Now we're going to move on to the second. We're going to click on that and click View Assignment. Number 1, you should have already completed your science attendance question. If not, go back to the classwork tab, complete the attendance for today, then return to this assignment. Number 2, open the attachment, Rules, Procedures, Distant Learning slides. Number 3, also open the Kahoot link. Number 4, join the Google Meet and mute your microphone, and your video must be on. And number 4, you will have a graded lesson check due today. So now I am going to open up the attachments. One is the Google slide, and it's going to open up in a new tab. Now I want to go back to the Classroom tab and also open up the Kahoot link. So I have all 3 tabs open. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the slideshow tab, which says 9/10. And I will go to my agenda slide, and I can read through what we are doing today. The do now. Make sure you have completed the daily science attendance question for today's date. Today, 9/10, we will review the rules and procedures for class and Google Meet. 2, listen to an adorable read aloud and play a quiz game. 3, turn in a Google form lesson check. Microphone muted, video on, and join the Google Meet.